Let's talk about ice cream. What are the steps in ordering ice cream? I need money to buy ice cream. I go to the ice cream store. I look at my choices and choose a flavor. I can point to the flavor I want. I can order ice cream in a cup. I can order ice cream in a cone. How many scoops will you get? I can order soft-serve ice cream in a cup or cone. Time to order my ice cream. I can get toppings on my ice cream. I need to pay for my ice cream. Time to eat the ice cream. Where else can I order ice cream? I can buy ice cream from an ice cream truck. I can order ice cream at a restaurant. Time for questions. Which picture is the ice cream shop? What does this sign mean? How much is a dipped cone? What are the different toppings? What is the name of this ice cream shop? What size do you like to order? How much is a chocolate cone dip? What is your favorite ice cream flavor? What does this sign mean? Keywords to learn.